Sales Insight Shorties. Brought to you by Fused.
Missing expansion revenue? This is why. Selling to an existing customer is 3 to 5 times easier than selling to a new one. So why are you still chasing cold leads while leaving money on the table with the customers you already have? You're sitting on untapped revenue, but if you can't connect what they've already bought to what they still need, that opportunity disappears. Most reps miss it because they're pitching more product, not mapping buyer progress. Most cross-sell attempts underperform, capturing only 23% of potential expansion revenue. Why? Because reps don't align usage to the next logical step in the customer's journey. Push product and you get ignored. Show progress, and they lean in. Here's how you fix it. Run a value discovery session. What are they using well? What are they not using? Where are they trying to go next? Then recommend only what helps them move forward, not what helps you hit quota. Want to turn renewals into real revenue? Share this with your post-sale team, drop your best cross-sell strategy in the comments. And hit follow for more AM tactics that actually close.